There we go. You guys walk a lot, so. Okay. So we're doing this one too. Keep that foot out a little bit more. Bring it over that toe. There we go. Good.
She's bending forward. Is that okay?
That's okay, but I want to do, if possible, good. What I want to do is when you're coming forward, look at my body. It comes straight down and straight up. It's a little more difficult.
Use a chair.
Chair if you need to. Chair if you need to. Just to start. There you go. You're good. Good.
I'm still bending.
Yeah, it's okay, but it takes time. It takes time. When you're back here on your heels, you're here using more of your glute, your hips. Here, using more of the pressure in your leg. Come forward. Put your hips. A little bit. That's called practice. If you didn't watch last year's video, all right. One more time.
This is working.
That's yeah, that says a little more. That's it. So let's go all the way down on your knee. All the way on your knee. Always so your knee touches the floor. And rest right there for a second. Okay? Bring this leg further out. There we go. Now try to push just when I'm down here. You see what I use. What do I use? Come on. I'm using this hip and this knee, push myself up, go forward. My goal is to make that knee, my right knee, here, my left knee, sorry, straighter as I keep my push on that right glute. I'm using here and here to push myself up. There we go.
I really needed to push the chair.
And because you guys walk a lot, phenomenal. Can this give you that extra bounce going from here over time to here to make walking better balance, stronger hips, and stronger legs? Because here is more hip motion, more knee motion, whereas when you're walking, that knee motion is about half, the knee motion, hip motion about half too.
You're not using nearly the muscles that it takes
No.
when you're down on your knees.
No. By doing this for walkers especially, allows them to get a better balance point back here, better hip strength, better leg strength. The more you move a joint, right? The more you move a joint, the stronger the muscle gets around that joint space. If my muscle only moves here, the muscle strength will only be about half what it can be if it has a full range of motion. So you want each joint in the body, maybe the hip, the knee, wherever it might be, full range of motion when you work yourself out the sides of the wall. Keep working. But what else can we do, right?